How to do that? I'm going to show you how to reset all settings to default in Kdenlive. So for example, we have here this project and we want to reset all configuration to default. So if you want to do it, you need to go to the upper side, and after that you need to click on Settings tab. It is very important to open this tab because here you can find really useful settings. I recommend you now to go to Reset Configuration, and then you will see here this information. Reset Configuration Kdenlive. This will delete Kden's configuration file and restart the application. Do you want to proceed? So I recommend you to save here everything in your project because your application will be restarted, yeah? And all configuration will be reset. So I recommend you to click Continue button. And you may see here this one information, save changes to the document. If you want to save it, you can click save. If you don't want to save, you can click do not save. So I click do not save, and how you see configuration has been successfully reset to default. So in this way you can easily do it in Kdenlive. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of a problem.